everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly thrilling. Huawei may have just given us our very first glimpse of the upcoming Pura 80 smartphone, and it seems it wasn't even intentional. That's right. Huawei inadvertently unveiled the next-generation Pura 80 during the official debut of their latest smart electric vehicle, the MX-Tro S800. The device wasn't supposed to appear, but eagle-eyed fans spotted it when one of Huawei's senior executives was seen holding it at the presentation. Let's break everything down and examine what this unexpected reveal has shown us. So, what exactly happened? On May 30th, Huawei and JAC formally introduced the MX-Tro S800, an advanced electric luxury sedan. The entire showcase was centered around the vehicle and its innovations, but something else drew attention. While posing for media photos, Huawei's consumer division CEO, Gang, was caught holding what appears to be a model from the Pura 80 series. That moment was quickly snapped and circulated on Weibo, China's major social networking site, and that's when tech fans realized this was our first authentic look at Huawei's upcoming flagship smartphone. Now, judging by the structure and the dimensions of the camera module, the device in Gang's hand seems to be a premium-tier model from the Pura 80 range, likely the Ultra or Pro Plus edition. Let's discuss what we noticed in the leaked visuals. The initial thing you'll spot is that the Pura 80 retains the triangular camera housing we saw on the Pura 70 Ultra, but this time, there's a substantial upgrade. Right at the heart of the module, you can now see not just one, but two periscope-style zoom lenses. That's a significant advancement. Why is this important? Because it validates the ongoing rumors. Huawei appears to be doubling down on enhanced zoom capabilities and precision photography. The twin periscope design could signal that the Pura Ultra will elevate macro and telephoto imaging to an entirely new level. When compared with the Pura 70 series, the updated camera housing is visibly larger and wider. In fact, it spans almost the entire upper back portion of the handset. This clearly indicates how focused Huawei is on delivering an upgraded mobile photography experience. Alongside the two periscope shooters, there are an additional two lenses inside the camera layout, most likely a primary sensor and an ultra-wide camera. Positioned between them, you'll also find a standard LED flash. In terms of aesthetics, the Pura 80 offers a sleek and sophisticated appearance. The back casing seems to be crafted from plain leather, which lends it a luxurious texture. The Huawei emblem can be seen on the bottom right section. And along the device's right edge, the power key and volume toggles are also visible. At this stage, Huawei hasn't officially verified which model this is or disclosed any hardware specifications, but the visuals clearly suggest this is no ordinary handset. And considering it was being carried by a senior Huawei official, it's highly plausible that this is the Ultra model, or potentially the Pro Plus variant. This unintentional exposure hints that the Pura 80 series could be launching sooner than expected. While Huawei didn't plan on unveiling the device during the EV presentation, the fact that it's already in the hands of executives means the formal reveal might be just around the corner. We could start seeing teaser content or promotional banners from Huawei any day now, so stay alert. This unexpected glimpse has undoubtedly sparked enthusiasm among tech enthusiasts. Huawei is well regarded for pushing the boundaries in mobile camera technology. And if this accidental leak is anything to go by, the Pura 80 lineup is poised to continue that legacy in a major way. We're eagerly anticipating the full list of official specifications and